Srijay Sheth and I'm founder at LegalViz.in. LegalViz was founded with a very core vision of creating simplicity, affordability, and transparency in professional services trade. LegalViz was founded about 6 years back and we have been in operation for about 5 years. In these 5 years, we have served more than 5,000 clients and thousands of service orders across all the major states and cities of India. LegalViz has provided services like company incorporation, IP registration, GST compliances, accounting and bookkeeping, legal document draftings, and other government registrations to a lot of businesses, including small businesses, startups, MSMEs, and budding entrepreneurs who we find to be our core target market. We have made their business progressive by providing these services through a state-of-art website, LegalViz.in, and a toll-free number from which our customers can seamlessly access our services. We empower them by providing all of these services so that they can focus on their business and grow their business while we take care of their back-end paperwork and compliance-related requirements to keep their businesses functioning smoother. While creating simplicity, affordability, and transparency, LegalViz aims to be the most trusted professional services company in India. It has not been easy in the last couple of years, especially during the pandemic time, for anyone. However, LegalViz also has not fallen short in securing achievements and brand recognition in the market. LegalViz has not only been at the top of its employee count or the revenue numbers year over year, LegalViz also has secured a lot of significant partnerships during this time. LegalViz partnered with very prestigious agencies like InstaMojo, Razorpay, Payoneer, AWS, a lot of Atal incubation centers, and so on and so forth to create a very robust ecosystems for the startups that LegalViz finds to be its core target market. We have provided services not only in the professional services area, but also have made our partners' services accessible to our portfolio companies and clients who can then avail these services for either a preferred services or a preferential pricing mode. With all these achievements, LegalViz also secured its first financial milestone by successfully raising funds early this year. With a good amount of capital and a deep partnership with a technology firm, LegalViz aims to evolve its technological play in a significant way. We are working very hard in creating a back-end portal which allows our staff to very seamlessly execute the orders and always stay in the know of the client requirement. It will improve the customer experience in a very significant way, and also more importantly, it will make it much easier for our staff to scale the services at any point of time. Apart from that, LegalViz also aims to enter the software as a service market, which also allows us to create and cater uncatered market as of now, where the clients are expecting their professional services to be taken care of by their own staff or in-house teams, and which is typically a client that we are not catering as of now. It will expand LegalViz's horizon much beyond what it is right now and truly evolve the company to a much significant and larger goals.